Froggy Forecasting.
How do frogs predict pond health?
So, what exactly are frogs?
Frogs are amphibians. They spend their lives in water and on the land. They transform themselves over their life cycle from water-breathing tadpoles to mostly air-breathing frogs. A frog's habitat is both on land and water. Frogs are indicator species. This means their health can indicate pond health, which helps humans to notice environmental changes.
A malformation is a deformity or an abnormally formed part of the body. When living in unhealthy water, frogs may have missing limbs, missing digits, or missing limb segments. Specific malformations include amelia, ectromelia, and acrodactyly. In 2002, the Kenai National Wildlife Refuge conducted an experiment called the National Malformed Amphibian Study. 348 frogs were collected from 13 ponds. Of those 348 frogs, 30 frogs, or 8.6%, had abnormalities that could be observed with the naked eye. 12 of these frogs, or 3.4%, had an abnormality due to developmental problems. More than 50% of all frogs everywhere are malformed in some way.
Since things like fertilizers and pesticides are what are affecting the frogs, we can conclude that runoff and pollution are making our ponds unhealthy. This affects other organisms who live in or near the ponds, including humans. The deformities may also be caused by a parasite, which may start to affect other organisms in a harmful way, including humans. The fact that frogs are becoming malformed also affects the whole environment. When one organism in a food web is changed, it affects every other organism. Many of the frogs that become deformed die easily or are easy prey. Their population will go down, which will affect their predators, which will affect their predators. The frog malformations will affect every trophic level in their food web. Because many species numbers are going down, biodiversity loss is occurring. This is an issue that is affecting the whole biosphere.
Pesticides and herbicides are toxic chemicals that undergo barely any testing on amphibians before use. Amphibians have extremely absorbent skin, and by absorbing these chemicals, it kills the frog. Pesticides also ruin the quality of lakes, rivers, ponds, and streams where frogs live. Unclean water causes a growth in snail population, and snails are the hosts of pesticides that cause malformation in frogs. The health of ponds is crucial to the life of frogs and the environment. We need to find many more ways to keep both healthy. Some of the other solutions are:
Stop eating frog legs.
stop buying wild-caught amphibians.
Stop dissecting frogs. Recycle and do not litter.
Keep our ponds and frogs healthy and safe.
Cailin, Panacek.
Morgan Zipfel.
And Kylie, Flynn.